Hi, we're going to have a little look at scale today. And just that you're aware, there should be a 1 centimetre squared paper attached to this because you'll need that a wee bit later on. But basically, if you were making out the plans for a house or something like that, obviously the size of your paper can't be the same size as your house, so you can't draw it to full size, so you have to use a scale to reduce it accurately to a size that will fit in your page. So if you had say a drawing that had a scale of 1 centimetre to 10 centimetres, that would mean that every 1 centimetre that you've drawn on the page would in reality stand for 10 centimetres in real life. So if you had a drawing on a page that was something like 7 centimetres by 5 centimetres, and you wanted to work out what that stood for in reality, if your scale was, say, 1:10, so that would mean that for every 1 centimetre here, it actually stands for 10 centimetres in real life. So if you've got 7 centimetres here, then that's each of those centimetres stands for 10 centimetres in real life. So in reality, 10 sevens are 70. The real object would be 70 centimetres long. And likewise along the side here, if this is 5 centimetres along the side, every 1 centimetre stands for 10 centimetres in reality. So in this would be 5 centimetres multiplied by 10, because the scale is 1:10, so 5 tens are 50. So in reality, this is 50 centimetres long. Now, that's if the scale was 1:10. But say, for instance, the scale was a little bit different, and say the scale was 1:20. So that would mean that this time every 1 centimetre here stands for 20 centimetres in reality. So that's 1 centimetre is to 20 centimetres. So I've got 7 centimetres here, so 7 this time multiplied by 20 is going to be 140 centimetres in reality. Or, say for instance the scale wasn't 1:20, say the scale was 1:5. So this isn't going to be such a big object, so this time every 1 centimetre here stands for 5 centimetres in reality. So you've got 7 of these, and every one stands for 5 centimetres, so that would be 50 centimetres in reality. Or likewise, if the scale was 1:100, then it's going to be a much bigger object. That's going to be 700 centimetres. So you've got a couple of questions to do here. There's a few about scale here. There's some in maths. But then the next thing is to measure the length and width of a room in your house to the nearest metre. Now, just to the nearest metre. Keep it straightforward. And use the centimetre squared paper then that's attached to this to make a scaled plan of that room. So when you've measured it, write down the real length to the nearest metre, the real width to the nearest metre, and then work out what the area of the room is, and then decide for yourself what scale are you going to use for your drawing. What are you going to divide it by that's going to fit on your page? So, are you going to divide it by 10, by 100, by 20, by 50, by 200? What scale are you going to use to make it fit on your page? Okay, take care. Bye.